Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Juwairia, a proud pass out of 2022 from Human Age Urdu Medium School where I scored 97%. After schooling I completed my college education from St. Joseph PU College and I am really proud to share you that 4 students from our batch became toppers in their respective colleges and Alhamdulillah I was one of them. That was definitely the effect of our school. And currently I'm pursuing computer science engineering from PDF. Honestly, whenever parents think about admissions, there is always one big confusion, like which school will actually build my child's future the right way. Because school is not just about books, exams and marks. It's where a child's basic confidence, personality and values are built. If the foundation is strong, the future automatically becomes strong too. Right? Even though I studied in an Urdu medium school, when I entered college where everything was in English, I never felt lost or underconfident. The teacher here made us so capable and confident that language never became a barrier for us. In fact, I scored 100 out of 100 in English. Alhamdulillah, in 10th grade. And the most beautiful thing about this school is definitely the Dini environment. In today's generation where negativity influences children so easily, believe me, having a positive Islamic atmosphere is honestly a blessing. Along with education, students are here learn discipline, respect, values and deen, which is something extremely important today. And one thing I really want to say from my heart, we should never let Urdu disappear. Urdu is our identity, our culture and our pride. That's why I sincerely request all the parents to support Urdu education and take admission in this wonderful institution so that more children can grow with strong education, values and personality